up now with a young chap that I'm going to meet very soon. But I know that you've had some heartbreak before, too.
If none of you had heartbreak, you all are full of the Christmas turkey. Yes, it was really funny. What? He just sent me an email 10 days ago.
Allah.
How good all this was, he wanted that.
Met
a woman, 3 kids. And he was on a DL. He was on a DL, and then dipping, and he got caught, and then he had to kind of like get out of it. Then he was with me, and then it was, it's a booty call, that's a booty call. That was nice. I think Papa Fish was there, okay, fine. Rolling here again, then it happened. He kept getting closer, and let move with me. And unfortunately, I'm so independent that I could not move in with him, which is fine. I like my mistakes. Thank God I didn't, because I did beat him so seriously down. And I moved out my stuff and moved your stuff, and you got rid of my stuff and put me out. But, and then I just came from the I got married, and I showed up at the wedding, and he was a bit nervous to meet me, and he explained all of this in an email, and I have not seen him since.
Tama.
I'm ready to share my grandchildren with you, and I think it's just a bit too late for a beautiful moment.
Yeah, good. And I remember this, actually. We talked about this in one of our shows in Australia, I think. We went, we did. Yeah. Remember that TikTok? He was, like, pouring all his heart out.
It was really then after that, to the outlet. And which one is Alex? Alex is the baby dad.
Oh, the baby dad.
The baby dad.
Got it.
That's the doctor. The baby daddy.
Oh, that was the other story.
That was, well, I probably went from one story to the next.
Oh my God, I thought it was one story.
And,
and I was like, oh my God, how can a person take all that?
And this is so true. When they kiss, it's just like something.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Papa.
Of course, he started kissing me in his door. I saw the camp. He wasn't looking right. He was just all the eyes over here. The touch wasn't right. And then he was, when the phone was ringing, why are you saying the phone going out to the other room? And then he only spoke English to people. I think he spoke English. So I could tell by now. I began kind of like, asking him response, and he was talking to me. I just went to the corner. I'm thinking like, something right. And finally one day he just got I made a copy of everything. And then he went. I put 3 of my tickets going to Spain. So what I did was I thought, I followed along all the emails that they would go back and forth. And yes, they
Precioso. Te amo, mi amor.